Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well today. So it's the 1 a.m. of night and I'm craving for a mug cake. It is very easy to make in just minutes. Today I'm making a vanilla mug cake in just a few minutes with simple ingredients you have. So first I show you the ingredients. First I take 3 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of coffee and 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. Sift it all and 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of condensed milk, or you can use honey, you can use sugar of it. So now I'll add the ingredients into a mug and mix it well that there is no lumps in it. First I add flour, coffee powder and baking powder in it. Look like this. Then I add milk in it. Next I add 1 egg in it, 1 teaspoon of condensed milk in it, now I add 1 egg and mix it well until it makes a smooth paste. Look, now I make a smooth paste of it like this. You are looking? This is too creamy. Oh, wow. Now at this stage you can add mangoes in it, peach in it, any fruit you can like you can add in it. Now I'm adding mango in it, about 1 tablespoon of mangoes. And look, this is the consistency of it. Look, this is too smooth. Now I microwave it for 70 minutes. Look, wow, it turns out really good. Too soft, too yummy. Do try it at your homes. If you like my recipe, do like it, share it, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Allah Hafiz, bye bye.